The Msvcp140.dll pop-up is a major roadblock for software performance. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm going to automate this repair for you. This DLL file is the Microsoft C++ standard library for Visual Studio 2015-2022. It provides essential routines for object handling and memory management for modern Windows applications and game engines on the PC. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The best way to fix this is to reinstall the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Head to the Microsoft website, download both the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C redistributables, and run the installers to replace the missing file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Msvcp140 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Keep in mind that the Msvcp140.dll must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Don't settle for a fragmented system interface. Manage the Msvcp140 and improve your workflow by accessing the utility at the link below. If you've regained access to Microsoft Visual C Redistributable thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.